It is haram to love in Islam? No, it is not haram to like someone or to experience love toward a person and to want to marry them. Love is a feeling that is out of our control. It is something that springs into our hearts without much conscious effort. Just like all other feelings, love is an emotion that overtakes our heart. However, if this feeling is the consequences of or lead to free mixing, not lowering one gaze, or getting involved in private conversation, then in such cases it is considered forbidden. In other words, if this emotion of love to happens to appear in one heart but she does not act on it, then there is no blame on him her. There is nothing wrong with the love that grounds itself within the laws of Allah. If love dwells for a reason that is not haram, a person cannot be blamed for that. Such as one who loves his wife or his slave woman, then he leaves her but that love remain does not leave him. He is not blamed for that. The same applies if he glances accidentally then look away. But love may settle in his heart without wanting it to, but he has to ward it off and look away. Then a person cannot be blamed. A person may hear that a woman is of a good character and virtuous and knowledgeable, so he may want to marry her. Or a woman may hear that a man is of a good character and virtuous and knowledgeable and religiously committed, so she wants to marry him. But contact between the two who admire one another in ways that are non Islamically acceptable is the problem, which lead to disastrous consequences. In this case, it is not permissible for the man to get in touch with the woman or for the woman to get in touch with the man and say that he wants to marry her. Rather, he should tell her guardian that he wants to marry her, so she should tell her wali that she wants to marry him. As Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, did when he offered his daughter Hafsa in marriage Abu Bakr and Usman, may Allah be pleased with them both. But if the woman contact the man directly, this is what leads to fitna. So we realize that Islam does not crush the emotion of love, rather it acknowledges, accepts and nurtures it is in the best manner possible. The healthy alternative that Islam provides for lover is the marriage contract. Every other institution behind marriage would be a means of destruction and would reap more harm than benefit. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "There is nothing like marriage for two who love one another."